Hello students, now that we have gained a deeper appreciation for CNC machines, it's time to dive into the essential language that drives these CNC machines. And these are the CNC G and M codes. CNC G and M codes are at the heart of CNC programming. They serve as the standardized language that communicates instructions to CNC machines. Think of them as the alphabet and grammar of CNC machining. Let us discuss what are CNC G codes. So CNC G code stands for the geometric codes and it specifies the type of motion and toolpath that the machine should follow. Let's first explore the role of G codes. Suppose if in the CNC machine if we write G00, then it is used for rapid positioning. So this code instructs the machine to move rapidly to a specified position and it is used for quick positioning without machining. Similarly, suppose if we write G01, then it indicates the linear interpolation and this code commands the machine to move in a straight line between the 2 points and it allows for precision contouring and straight cuts. Let us take the next example, that is G02 and G03, and it indicates the circular interpolation. So this code enables the machine to move in a circular or arc motion. Here G02 is useful for clockwise motion and G03 is useful for counterclockwise motion. We will learn about these G codes in detail in our further lectures. When we get to know about the G codes in detail, then the correct selection and the sequence of G codes are essential for achieving the desired toolpath and ultimately the accuracy of the machined part. One of the crucial aspects of G code is their role in defining the toolpath. Toolpath refers to the precise route that the cutting tool follows as it moves across the workpiece. This path is critical for shaping the workpiece accurately and efficiently. G codes guides the tool along the predetermined path, ensuring that the machine cuts or shapes the material precisely as intended. Understanding the toolpath planning is essential for optimizing machining operations, minimizing material waste, and achieving high quality results. Let us now discuss about the CNC M codes. CNC M code stands for miscellaneous codes and these are responsible for controlling various machines functions and auxiliary operations. Let us take certain examples such as M03. So this code is useful to start the spindle. This code initiates the spindle rotation, allowing the tool to cut or shape the workpiece. Next code is the M05 and it is useful to stop the spindle. So it stops the spindle rotation, ceasing the cutting action. Suppose if we write M08, then this code is useful to start the coolant supply. So M08 activates the coolant system, essential for dissipating the heat and prolonging the tool life. So M code plays a very central role in managing machine functions that are essential for the machining process. Next, safety is paramount concern in CNC machining and M codes plays a significant role in ensuring the safe machine operation. For example, if we write M05 command, then it is useful to stop the spindle and that can be critical in emergency situations or when tool changes are required. M codes are crucial not only for individual operations but also for coordinating various machines functions throughout the CNC program. Their correct use ensures the machine operates efficiently and safely, preventing the errors and accidents. In summary, M codes are the command signals that control the critical machine functions, ensuring safe and efficient CNC machining. Understanding when and how to use M codes is vital for achieving the desired machining results and maintaining a safe working environment. We will discuss about the different CNC M codes in detail in our further sessions.